Hi there. Today I would like to talk about suitable substrates for dye sublimation. My name is Georg Ulrich and I'm the responsible application technology manager for S-Trace, the dye sublimation transfer paper brand by the Felix Schoeller Group, Germany. Customers have asked us on which kind of substrate sublimation is possible. So basically you can say that sublimation only works on polyester fabrics and all kind of polyester coated surfaces as long as they are heat resistant as well. Like aluminum panels, for example, glass or even woods, plastics, ceramics, and so on. That means dye sublimation cannot be used to print on 100% cotton shirts or other natural fibers, though it can be used on polycotton blends. For the best results, we recommend 100% polyester fibers. Please keep in mind that the lower the percentage of polyester fibers, the lighter the printed image will appear on the substrate, because only the synthetic fibers are able to receive the sublimation inks. Since the inks which penetrate into the fibers are glazing, a yellow fabric printed with cyan, for example, would produce a green end result. Furthermore, there is no white ink for sublimation available, which would be necessary to replace the needed white background for dark-colored fabrics, for example. For best results, we recommend a white or a light-colored surface. If only black lettering is to be applied, this of course also works on colored or darker surfaces. If you have further questions regarding this topic or even another one, we are looking forward to your inquiry. Just use the contact form on our website s-race.com and write us a message to do so. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.